in a 2019 Kia Sorento like this one, if your rear windshield wiper has stopped working, that could simply be that the fuse has burnt out on it. Come down here beneath the dashboard, remove the fuse panel. There is a chart on the back for all the corresponding fuses. And let's see if you can beat me to it. We got to find the rear windshield wiper fuse. So that's this one here. This 15A in row 3, column 5. So that's this one here. Pull that fuse out, see if it is burnt out, and if it is, replace it, and that should get your rear windshield wiper going again. I'm going to put an affiliate link in the products to purchase new fuses, and if you got any questions, just ask me.